Ripple XRP right now is sucking up all the liquidity in the cryptocurrency markets. Is there a supply shock coming right now? Well, in today's video, guys, I'm going to share with you the targets that I have right here for Ripple in the shorter term time frame and longer term time frame. We are going to have a look at whenever the Bitcoin spot ETF was filed, what did it do with the Bitcoin price, and whenever it was approved, what it did with the Bitcoin price, because we are seeing the same thing happening to XRP. We are seeing the filing of an XRP backed ETF. We are also going to talk about the logo of XRP and XLM looking very similar if you combine them to the logo of that of Twitter. And I'm going to discuss, which will be very interesting, rumors that BlackRock is going to do a big partnership with Ripple. We are going to analyze these rumors, which in my opinion will be very, very interesting. So guys, let's jump straight into it. First of all, let me quickly mention the Discord is live, navigating the wealth transfer. A link to the Discord is down below in the video description. Discord is already active. We have a lot of admins right here. We're talking about the price targets on Ripple. You can discuss to which locations you would like to move, which initiatives you want to take. You can share content ideas, and the new videos that I'm publishing are also shared there. You can share news as well. So we can see, for example, XRP has been flipping Sol in the market cap. Actually, it has been flipping US dollar Theta in market cap as well, which is again super significant. But yeah, if you want to join this Discord, it's just for free. You can just join with the link down below in the description. Let's start off, guys, with XRP, because that was the question also in the Discord. Hey Jeroen, what are your targets? Right, and of course we have these prophecies where they say a bit of XRP can go to 10,000 US dollars, can go to 100 US dollars, and I definitely think that is possible in the future. If we do get that new global currency, maybe even mark of the beast, which we have discussed earlier, it's definitely possible that a project like XRP is going to suck up that much liquidity and reach these levels. However, in the shorter term time frame, it is of course less likely. But I want to first bring your attention to something that Brandon Biggs has shared about a vision that he saw with XRP.
Then in a vision, I see XRP go to $5 to an XRP quickly. Like within, I'm not going to give time frames. I just saw this. I saw a vision, and the Lord showed me XRP increasing up to $5.
So as you heard, Brandon said it really quickly is going to shoot up to $5 US after going to 45 cents. Well, it did went to 45 cents and it is shooting up already rather quickly. And wow, and this is the crazy part, guys. If we look at the list right here, all the altcoins, including Bitcoin, everything is dumping. Everything is literally dumping, minus 9%, minus 8%. There's kind of a panic going on right here. But XRP is actually going up. XRP is one of the only ones, because this is, for example, the Bitcoin comparative. XLM is even 10% down. XRP against Bitcoin goes up. So as you can see from this whole list, and we have XDC also going up. But yeah, generally from all the major tokens and the smaller tokens, even everything goes down except XRP is going up. And that's very interesting, because XRP is actually an altcoin, right? There's panic across the markets, but the price goes up. The reason why that is weird is because when there is panic, generally the first sell-offs are occurring in the altcoins. So that right now liquidity is going to XRP is actually pretty bullish, because imagine if everything were to go up, XRP would go up even faster. But I think, guys, there's a lot of things happening right now with XRP. And we also have a lot of rumors we will be diving in later. But let's first have a look at the price action. So the middle of this channel, which I think is very significant, is $3.60. That's my first short-term target, basically. It's also the previous all-time high. Roughly, yeah, that target is slightly above the previous all-time high. But Brandon said it will shoot up to $5. Well, we can see previous times it can go above the middle of the channel, and still this channel can act as resistance. So we could do something like something like this, where we just go to the middle, we get some resistance, then we can get bought up again, then we go up. We can also just straight blast through the middle of this and go to the target of $22. It's all possible, but in terms of trading, and not in terms of prophecies, but in terms of trading, we got to be realistic, and we got to listen to the structure of what we are seeing right here. So my short-term target is 360. Then, of course, $5 is definitely a big milestone for XRP. If we can break above the middle of this channel and get a sustainable breakout, and for the ones that don't know what it is like a break, retest, and then continue to go higher. So not like this is a failed breakout, this is a valid breakout. I definitely think we can see levels of 22. Even later we can see levels of 28, $30 next year. So that is insanely bullish, but that really depends how things are going to unfold. Okay, let's have a look, because this is also very interesting. The wisdom tree, which has a logo of the oak tree, right, filed for an XRP ETF, which is Ripple backed, which is interesting because you would actually think maybe BlackRock would be the first one filing this, because I haven't heard about wisdom tree before. So I actually personally, and I said it in a different video as well, I personally feel that wisdom tree might be a part of BlackRock, and I will come later to that. But first of all, let's go to the Bitcoin chart, and we can see right here, this is the moment the Bitcoin spot ETF was filed. It was around May, June 2023. We had a nice surge in the price, completely retraced as well. But then, of course, we had a very big rally from 25,000 all the way up to almost $50,000 correction. And the moment the Bitcoin spot ETF was approved, we saw also a significant rally from from 40k to almost 75k. So there are two things that are happening right here, right? First of all, we have the rumor, right? Investors will speculate or will invest based on the rumor or the anticipation that the spot ETF is filed, also for Ripple. But once it is actually approved, it can bring in institutional liquidity, right? An institution can then basically on paper buy Bitcoin and buy XRP, which brings in new liquidity. So the announcement of this development is very bullish, but the approval, which most likely will come, maybe not before the 20th of January, before Gary Gensler is going to resign, but most likely XRP will be approved. Also with the links that we are going to share with you guys, that we are seeing more and more. It's actually pretty crazy. But it will definitely bring in institutional liquidity. And if we can see such a rise with Bitcoin, we might see a bigger rise with XRP, because it has a lower market cap, so it needs less liquidity to make bigger gains than Bitcoin. I hope that makes sense for you guys. Quickly, I want to share with you something that one of the people in the comments actually noted, which is super interesting. The logo of Twitter and looking at XRP and XLM. So this is the XRP logo. You guys know that XLM logo, and this is the Twitter logo. But if you would turn the XLM logo right here, I turn it and I make it a little bit transparent so you can see it. If I put that over on the Twitter logo, look at this. This is really insane. This is the same as the Twitter logo, only not the two stripes down there. Look at this. You can see the overlapping white. This is actually very crazy, because it looks like Twitter is a mix of the XLM logo with XRP. And the prophecies actually go that XRP will be the institutional money and XLM will be the money for the people, will be the money that you use day-to-day transactions with, that you do your groceries with, and XRP will be to be a big liquidity provider to move liquidity from one bank to another. So, and this is actually crazy. especially when thinking that Elon Musk has a background in finance. Starting PayPal, he wanted to disrupt the financial system, which means that he has a lot of knowledge about this. He's the richest person on the planet, so he's definitely thinking a lot about money. And I'm not generally saying that he wants to accumulate as much money as possible, although that is, I wouldn't exclude that as well. But he knows how money works. So he also knows that if the dollar would fall, his ventures would be in danger. So he could also already think ahead and maybe try to prevent and put different systems in place that can be like a safety net for him or give him eventually more power. But this is really significant, guys. This is like this Twitter logo, and Twitter even wanted to start with X payments. So they want to make a payment system over on Twitter as well. Yeah, this just looks pretty insane. Now we go to the rumors, guys, and the rumors. Actually, first let's share this one. Ripple poised for New York approval of stablecoin, set to enter regulated U.S. crypto market, and yeah, that is really the story of Ripple. And what we can see with Ripple XRP is that it's right now going to create a stablecoin. So it's working completely different than almost any other cryptocurrency, in the sense of that it's working together with all these regulations, right? It's going to work together with the ISO 222 standard. It has a lot of partnerships with banks already. This is the only cryptocurrency that really positioned itself in that institutional corner. Now, when we have a look at some rumors, Elon Musk and XRP is a 25 billion acquisition on the horizon, or just a wild speculation. This is something that's posted on Binance Square. This is just a forum. I have the feeling like anyone can post right here, so I don't take that too serious. Here we also have BlackRock secret XRP plan, rumor or reality. And this is actually where it becomes more interesting. Could the world's largest asset manager BlackRock really be planning a 1 trillion investment in XRP by 2025? What would that mean for XRP's price and the future? This is actually quite valid, because I dived into the relationship of XRP and BlackRock, and I found some interesting things which you might want to know of. And first of all is this one. Ripple banking partners. Ripple works with a range of banks and financial institutions for cross-border payments via its RippleNet network. Some major Ripple partners include, and this is pretty significant, the Bank of America. BlackRock has a significant relationship with the Bank of America, with often acting as a custodian or investment partner. Ripple's partnership with Bank of America could theoretically intersect with BlackRock's broader financial strategies. So here you can already see that, like, BlackRock is not yet announcing, although there were rumors that BlackRock is filing an XRP ETF. I think it's not officially filed. There was some news on some decent news channels that were actually stating that BlackRock filed for an XRP ETF, but I don't have a confirmation yet. But here you can already see Ripple, the partner of Ripple, which is Bank of America, is also a huge key partner of BlackRock. And of course, they cross paths. And of course, there is interest from BlackRock into XRP. It's just not public yet, right? Because similar as with other investments, I feel like we are actually, like, BlackRock is not stupid, right? So when they file for this ETF, they have been buying already here. Like, why would they not do that? And yeah, you can say, yeah, regulations and rules, they don't care about that. They will make separate companies, offshore companies, whatever. They will make the paperwork right in some way, or they pay a fine later. But they are going to accumulate Bitcoin at good moments, because they were the creator, and that's the insane part. They were the creator of the narrative past year. Actually, past 1.5 years. They already, so for example, when they filed that Bitcoin spot ETF right here, they already have the paperwork ready right here. right? Maybe they have to do some adjustments or whatnot, but do you think that they only start buying Bitcoin here while they already know right here that they're going to file for that spot ETF? Of course not. They are not idiots. BlackRock, they don't have a moral compass, right? They are well known to be as cold as ice. So I wouldn't believe that they would just buy Bitcoin the moment the Bitcoin spot ETF is approved. They buy Bitcoin on their balance sheet, and maybe they buy it from their offshore accounts that they already bought right here in 2022. You really cannot convince me that such a huge company that is trying to get a control over the whole world, trying to accumulate every asset right here on this planet, is not buying Bitcoin cheap, while they know they're going, a couple months later, they're going to file for the spot ETF. And we already see like a big price increase right here, right? So that's what I'm trying to say. Like, a lot of things are happening in the background, and that is reflected in the price. So the price here goes up, right? The price goes up significantly. Maybe this is BlackRock buying, right? Maybe a big part of this is BlackRock buying, or because BlackRock is doing all these OTC deals. A lot of Bitcoin is being scooped off the market, and eventually that will drive the price up, right? So what I'm trying to say is that there is already a plan probably for BlackRock to have somewhat of an integration with Ripple XRP. I don't see an option. I don't really think that I'm pretty sure that that's the case, and that's maybe the reason why we are seeing XRP going so high right now. And then later, in a couple of weeks, maybe in a couple of months, we are suddenly going to see the newspapers where they will mention it. Like, oh yeah, BlackRock is filing for XRP ETF. Maybe Wisdom Tree is already accumulating XRP for that other ETF. Right, maybe this is a part of BlackRock. I don't know. I'm just speculating right here. But what I do know is that they are not idiots, right? They are not idiots. The ones that are going to be working with Ripple and have expected this price to increase, they have heavily accumulated during this period, 100%. So yeah, I would say almost everyone would do that, right? Like if you, a lot of people who are building meme coins, right? There is 0% goes to the developer. It's all community owned, but the ones that know that are going to promote a meme coin heavily, they are already going to position themselves beforehand. Okay, let's go to the next one. Santander. Ripple and Santander collaborate on payment solution, including the Santander OnePay Forex platform. Santander is also one of BlackRock's key financial clients and partners in investment initiatives. So a Ripple partner is again a key financial client and partner of BlackRock. So there is no direct link XRP BlackRock, but there is a lot of links with one step in between, and that's what I mean with Bitcoin as well. They already know what 2023 and 2024, maybe even what 2025 is going to bring for crypto. They know that because they are steering the ship. They are steering the ship with their liquidity. So we are seeing a manifestation right now of something that is happening in the background of XRP, which we will get the news of later. That's all that I'm trying to say right here. Ripple's payment providers. So Ripple has partnered with global payment providers such as American Express. Ripple has worked with Amex to facilitate cross-border payments between the US and the UK. BlackRock has previously held significant Amex shares and could have strategic interest in the payment infrastructure of Ripple supports. This is an important link again. So here you can see BlackRock is investing in American Express, right? Has held significant Amex shares. Why? Because BlackRock is interested in cross-border payments, because Amex is facilitating cross-border payments between the United States and the UK. Also two very interesting countries who do cross-border payments. But Ripple, again, is the partner of Amex. So you see here already with just a one link in between, BlackRock has a high interest in cross-border payments. It is a significant owner of shares of a company that is using Ripple for that same purpose. That's all what I'm saying, guys. That's all what I'm saying. Conclusion. While there's no direct partnership between Ripple and BlackRock, some of Ripple's major partners, Bank of America, Santander, and Amex, are also deeply interconnected with BlackRock through financial and investment ventures. These overlapping relationships highlight a shared interest in transforming global financial infrastructure, which may open pathways for collaboration or indirect links in the future. Definitely, guys, that is what we are seeing right now in the price of Ripple. The whole crypto market is going down, Ripple's going up, something significant is happening. And do take in mind, that's very important, if you are a trader and you trade with leverage, be very careful, because Ripple is known to have these crazy upswings but also crazy downswings. Look at this. We had here from 22 cents all the way up to almost 80 cents. That's a 4x. Go back to that 22 cents again. Completely retrace that whole move, right? So these are also tactics maybe some institutions can do to scare off the public, right? So all the people that invest right here at these higher levels, maybe we go up, we get a shakeout. So the people that are bought actually higher, they panic sell here, which drive the price even lower. And then, of course, BlackRock, Wisdom Tree, scooping up cheap again because they know it will go up, because they are the ones that are taking away that supply from the market. So they have 100% certainty that it will go up. That's what I'm trying to see. So the game is rigged, and the game for you as me, we are always in a disadvantage unless we are doing our research and we are trying to see what's really happening and understanding what's going on. Right, and be smart about it as well. That's what I'm trying to do here with you guys. Okay, guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Smash up the like button. That is very much appreciated. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and make sure to join the Discord channel right here if you want to meet like-minded people. If you want to talk about Ripple, you want to talk about other cryptocurrencies, but also when you want to talk about moving to a specific location, or you want to meet in your neighborhood or in your country people that are also busy with the wealth transfer, anything, or you want to provide content ideas for this YouTube channel, you can all do that right here in the Discord. So join with the link down below, guys, and I want to wish every single one of you a beautiful day, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video. Bye bye.